Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Go for it.
Okay, so I'm Amanda.
And I'm Megan. I've had this printer for 2 years. It hasn't worked a day. Not a day. Because I hate it so much, we're going to have some fun.
6 hits, 3 each, I think, right? Or 8 hits. I don't know. You'll know.
I don't remember. I forgot there was glass in it. I forgot there was.
Put that back on top. We'll be fine.
Well, ouch. I forgot there was glass in it. We have to put the glass up too.
Chaff.
Yeah, actually, you know what?
Keep going and hit it.
The glass will come out of it, so... I think we should turn it over.
We're phoning this machine. Oh, there's a tree there. Hi. I ran into a tree.
Yours does so much more damage. Thanks for watching.
This was our fun.